We're going to be making a short video today on how to make a flower. Let me see that. It's on this side, you'll see use that large piece. Okay. I cut out a small shape, it's kind of flower-like, and I scored some lines down the center just for appearance. And now I'm gonna put some shape into it. Just take it easy and don't catch your finger.
It won't even go down.
Go up. Go up first to start your cut. Oh, we're just gonna clean it up a little bit and get ready for a fire.
Should I do the other side?
Mostly just the center in the middle, because that's where we're gonna be putting the shot. We're gonna drop a little shot in the center of each of these flowers.
Is that good enough now?
Yeah, that's good for now, because we might do it again later, just before we...
This is so tiny, it's hard to work with.
Yeah. But the small ones are cute. And here we got some scrap. We're gonna melt this down. We're gonna make some shots for those little flowers. We're gonna put them in the middle of the flowers. It'll at least be a good size for yours.
How did it just turn into a ball? That makes no sense.
It's just natural.
Literally like a perfect ball.
Okay, so we need a flat surface on this shot so we can get it to the flower. That's good enough, I think. Okay, we're about to fire this.
Here?
Yeah. Just putting some flux on. Awesome. Got it on? There's the shot. That's the bottom. So you want to hit the bottom.
Pick it up? You want to pick it up?
You're going to have to just get it in and drop it in there. Drop it. Okay. Use the brush now. No, don't knock it off. Yeah, you can touch it a little bit. Just don't want to touch it.
There.
Make sure it's down center. You want to be in the middle as best you can.
I think that's good, right?
You like that? All right, there's a piece of solder right there.
Where?
Use the brush.
This thing?
Yep, that's your solder. Don't touch it. Use the brush.
Is that bad?
Well, you want to keep things clean. Your hands have natural oils, and they get in the way of things.
Where put it? On top?
No, where the metal meets the metal. On the bottom. Just carefully don't knock it off. Almost. Yeah, now push it down towards the middle. You took it back off.
I know. Can I push this thing? Oh my god.
Stop messing with it. Just get that thing in the middle.
There. I just started.
This is her flower, and I think it came out pretty nice. It's got a nice curve to it, and that's my flower. 2 different sizes, and I think that's good. We're gonna clean them up and see how they look. So we polished them up a little bit, and I think they came out pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when you want to use them, you put a little flat spot on the back so you have good contact with your metal. But they look pretty good. Nice little flowers.
Okay, no.
Good job, Kaylee.
Yep.